The Russian Far North, a land of vastness and extremes. It is a realm of icy tundra, towering mountains, and pristine lakes. This region is shrouded in mystery and steeped in history. It is a place where nature reigns supreme. The far north stretches from the Ural Mountains in the west to the Kamchatka Peninsula in the east. It encompasses a vast expanse of Siberia. This region is home to a rich tapestry of cultures and landscapes. From the frozen shores of the Arctic Ocean to the volcanic peaks of Kamchatka, the Russian far north offers a glimpse into a world untouched by time. Here, ancient traditions live on. The beauty of the natural world is on full display. Join us on a journey to discover the stunning scenery of this remote and captivating region. Let your imagination soar as we explore the wonders that await. The Ural Mountains stand as a natural border, a majestic line that has long been recognized as the dividing line between two continents. They separate Europe from Asia, creating a unique geographical and cultural boundary. This ancient mountain range stretches for over 1,500 miles, from the icy shores of the Arctic Ocean in the north to the steppes of Kazakhstan in the south. The Urals offer a glimpse into the heart of Russia, revealing a landscape that is both rugged and beautiful. The Ural Mountains are home to a variety of landscapes, from dense forests to open meadows and rocky peaks. Dense forests give way to towering peaks, creating a dramatic and ever-changing scenery. Crystal-clear rivers flow through deep gorges, carving their way through the ancient rock. The region is rich in minerals, with vast deposits of precious metals and stones. This has made it a center of mining and industry for centuries, contributing significantly to Russia's economy. One of the most popular destinations in the Urals is Mount Manaraga, a peak that attracts adventurers and nature lovers alike. This peak is known for its distinctive shape, which stands out against the skyline. It resembles the teeth of a dragon, a unique formation that has inspired many legends and stories. Visitors can hike to the summit of the mountain, following trails that wind through the rugged terrain. They can enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding wilderness, a breathtaking sight that stretches for miles. The Ural Mountains are also home to a number of national parks and nature reserves, protecting the region's natural beauty. These protected areas offer a glimpse into the region's diverse flora and fauna, showcasing the rich biodiversity of the Urals. Visitors can spot brown bears, reindeer, and a variety of bird life, making it a paradise for wildlife enthusiasts and photographers. Lake Baikal is a natural wonder, a true gem of the Siberian wilderness. It is located in the heart of Siberia, a remote and vast region known for its extreme climate and breathtaking landscapes. This is the oldest and deepest lake in the world, with a depth of over 1,600 meters and an age of around 25 million years. Baikal holds over 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater, making it a crucial resource for the planet. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique ecological and geological significance. Lake Baikal is home to a remarkable array of biodiversity, including many species that are endemic to the region. There are over 1,500 species of plants and animals, each contributing to the lake's rich and diverse ecosystem. Many of these are found nowhere else on Earth, making Lake Baikal a vital sanctuary for rare and unique life forms. The lake is famous for its clear blue waters, which offer unparalleled visibility and a stunning view of the underwater world. Visitors to Lake Baikal can enjoy a variety of activities. They can go hiking along the scenic trails, camping under the stars, and fishing in the abundant waters. They can take a dip in the lake's refreshing waters, which are known for their purity and clarity. Boat trips offer stunning views of the surrounding mountains and the vast expanse of the lake itself. In winter, Lake Baikal freezes over, transforming into a magical winter wonderland. This creates a surreal landscape, with ice formations that are both beautiful and otherworldly. The ice is so clear that you can see through it to the depths below, revealing the lake's hidden secrets. You can see through it to the depths below, offering a unique perspective on the lake's underwater world. Visitors can go ice skating on the smooth, glass-like surface, try their hand at ice fishing, or even drive across the frozen lake, experiencing the thrill of traversing this natural wonder in winter. The Kamchatka Peninsula is a land of fire and ice. It is located in Russia's Far East. It is home to a chain of active volcanoes. There are also vast glaciers and pristine forests. Kamchatka is one of the most volcanically active regions on Earth. It has over 160 volcanoes. 29 of these are still active. The most famous volcano is Klyuchevskaya Sopka. It is the highest active volcano in Eurasia. The Kamchatka Peninsula is also home to a variety of wildlife. There are brown bears, salmon, and Steller sea eagles. The region's rivers and lakes teem with fish. This makes it a popular destination for fishing enthusiasts. Visitors to Kamchatka can enjoy a range of adventure activities. They can go hiking, skiing, and snowboarding. They can also go on helicopter tours to see the volcanoes and glaciers from above. Section 5. The Lena River Delta, a mosaic of water and wilderness. The Lena River Delta is a vast and remote wilderness. It is located in northeastern Siberia. The Lena River is one of the longest rivers in the world. It flows over 2,500 miles. The river empties into the Arctic Ocean. The Lena River Delta is a mosaic of water and land. There are countless islands, channels, and lakes. The delta is home to a variety of wildlife. There are reindeer, Arctic foxes, and a wide diversity of bird life. The Lena River Delta is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is one of the largest deltas in the world. It is an important breeding ground for many migratory birds. Visitors to the Lena River Delta can experience the tranquility of this remote wilderness. They can go boating, fishing, and hiking. They can witness the beauty of the midnight sun in summer. Section 6. Murmansk and the Northern Lights, a celestial spectacle. Murmansk is a city located above the Arctic Circle, in the far northwest of Russia. It is a place where the harsh Arctic climate meets the vibrant culture of its inhabitants. It is situated in northwestern Russia, a region known for its extreme weather conditions and stunning natural beauty. Murmansk is renowned for being the largest city north of the Arctic Circle, a unique distinction that adds to its allure. The city serves as a gateway to the Arctic, with its bustling harbor playing a crucial role in Arctic exploration and trade. Murmansk is a popular destination for viewing the Northern Lights, attracting tourists from all over the world who come to witness this natural wonder. This celestial display, also known as the Aurora Borealis, is a breathtaking phenomenon that lights up the night sky. The Northern Lights are caused by charged particles from the sun, which travel through space and interact with the Earth's magnetic field. These particles collide with gases in the Earth's atmosphere, creating the stunning light displays that we see. The Northern Lights often appear as shimmering curtains of light, moving gracefully across the sky. They dance across the night sky, creating a mesmerizing and unforgettable spectacle. The lights come in a variety of colors, each more beautiful than the last. Green, red, and blue are the most common hues, but sometimes you can also see purples and pinks. The best time to see the Northern Lights in Murmansk is during the winter months, when the nights are longest and the skies are clearest. Visitors to Murmansk can enjoy a range of activities, from winter sports to cultural festivals that celebrate the unique heritage of the region. They can visit the nuclear icebreaker Lenin, a fascinating piece of maritime history that offers guided tours. The city's museums and cultural attractions provide a deep dive into the history and traditions of the Arctic. For the truly adventurous, taking a dip in the frigid waters of the Arctic Ocean is an experience like no other, a true test of bravery and endurance. Section 7. Beyond the Beaten Path. Other hidden gems. The Russian far north is home to many other hidden gems. These are waiting to be discovered. The Putorana Plateau is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is located in northern Siberia. It is known for its dramatic waterfalls and deep canyons. The Franz Josef Land Archipelago is a remote group of islands. It is located in the Arctic Ocean. It is home to polar bears, walruses, and other Arctic wildlife. The Solovki Islands are located in the White Sea. They are home to a 15th-century monastery. The monastery is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These are just a few of the many other scenic areas. They are waiting to be explored in the Russian far north. Section 8. Conclusion. An invitation to explore. The Russian far north is a land of stunning scenery and endless wonder. It is a region of extremes. There are snow-capped mountains and vast forests. There are pristine lakes and mighty rivers. Whether you are an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply looking for a unique and unforgettable travel experience, the Russian far north has something to offer everyone. So why not add it to your travel bucket list today? You won't be disappointed. What other hidden gems await in the vast expanse of the Russian far north? Share your suggestions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this post and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration.